Welcome to Turbo Rider. Today, let's talk about the 2025 Honda XRM 125, one of Honda's most popular dual-sport underbone motorcycles. This bike is designed for both city commuting and light off-road riding, making it a versatile choice for riders. Engine and performance. The Honda XRM 125 comes with a 124.8 cubic centimeters, air-cooled, 4-stroke, SOHC engine. It produces around 9.1 horsepower at 7,500 RPM and 9.55 Nm of torque at 6,500 RPM. The bike uses Honda's PGM-FI fuel injection system, which means better fuel efficiency and cleaner emissions. It's paired with a 4-speed rotary transmission, and you get both electric and Kickstarter options. Chassis and suspension. This motorcycle uses an underbone frame for durability. Up front, you get telescopic forks, while at the rear, it's equipped with twin shock absorbers. For braking, the front has a hydraulic disc brake, and the rear comes with either a disc or drum brake depending on the variant. The tire setup is 2.50 to 17 at the front and 2.75 to 17 at the rear, which balances city and rough road performance. Dimensions. The XRM 125 measures 1,933 mm in length, 833 mm in width, and 1,049 mm in height. It has a wheelbase of 1,239 mm, a ground clearance of 145 mm, and a seat height of 775 mm. The weight is around 102 to 104 kilograms, depending on the model. Fuel capacity and mileage. The bike comes with a 3.9-liter fuel tank. Thanks to Honda's fuel injection system, it can deliver an impressive 50 to 60 kilometers per liter, making it very economical. Features. The 2025 Honda XRM 125 stands out with its sporty and rugged dual-sport design, large carrier rack for utility and cargo, high ground clearance for rough roads, comfortable seat for longer rides, digital analog instrument cluster. Available in 3 variants: XRM 125DS, Dual Sport, XRM 125 RS, and XRM 125 Modded. Price. In the Philippines, the price is around 74,000 Cuban pesos to 78,000 Cuban pesos, which is roughly 3.8 to 4.2 lakh Pakistani rupees depending on import costs. Conclusion. The Honda XRM 125-2025 is a great option for anyone who needs a reliable, fuel-efficient, and versatile bike. Whether it's for daily commuting, utility use, or light off-road adventures, this motorcycle is built to handle it all. Like, share, and subscribe to Turbo Rider.